On a rain-soaked road, a man everyone feared stood alone, a gangster with a dark past. Suddenly, a tiny, shaking puppy stepped in front of him. It didn't bark. It simply raised one small paw, begging. The man stopped. For the first time, his hard heart cracked. Behind them, floodwater swallowed a car. A weak dog clung to the roof, running out of time. People watched. No one moved. The gangster did. He jumped into the raging water and fought the current. Moments later, he returned holding the dog, alive. The puppy ran to him, tail wagging, eyes full of trust. That night, more than 2 dogs were saved. A broken man was rescued too. Sometimes the smallest plea creates the greatest miracle.